Yeah, man. We see we are in the Hollywood. Now, we are the Hollywood, California, Los Angeles. We are here. What I say? Who discuss it with you? Moon with you. So, what are we there? Who can get American? What can you? American fan. I know what Tom. But one day, I will be there. The Hollywood movie. I'm telling you. I swear, man of God. I swear, God. So one day, I will be American movie.
Oh,
no?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I have more.
You have to dream big.
More in my head.
Yeah.
When the animal chop pass, we are waiting for the animal no chop. Your money go, your money.
We are keeping it stay.
Yeah.
Yeah, good there. You know, this is US.
Yeah, man. No, Hollywood, no. Mumu here. Share. Are they here?
Yeah, this is Kwadwo Nkansah the way.
Of course.
He's here with us in Hollywood, man. Yeah, we are not joking, okay? Yeah, man.
And the guitarist. Bass,
man.
And the nigga bad for it. See this. If you come to California, the American President Trump be the every star in America. You put your name into the sky. If you come to Ghana, no name, no status. no status. But from now, I tell our president, say Nana, please, you are stars in Ghana. Please have to bid status in Ghana. Okala, Santo, Komode, all be with the legend, Lumba, Kojonchi, Nana Amachi. You have to bid the status in the whole Ghana. When the tourists come in Ghana, you watch, oh, superstar, wow, oh, superstar, wow. Then you go to tourists.
Chicago.
Yes, it's Chicago 26. Coming here. You're back Chicago here. And then Ohio, you're coming there. Yeah, New York, you're coming there.
Yeah, Washington DC.
You're coming there. Dallas, you're coming there, you know.
It's yeah, near much they were coming.
Serious. Hey, Mama Jennifer, what time now?
Crazy,
hey.
I give you my heart,
hey.
So whenever you need love, call me.
What I said? I said, Mama Nantin. He baba, tete. We'll be a mimi, we're bunny.
Udi a cocody.
No more who mean I'm a pair.
Udi a cocody.
Unya be a D. Unya be a Unya be a D. She said, you meet white people, you know. Everybody pass. No insult. Obi no get him. The Ghana, if you pass them, come. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm standing here. Pass. Yeah. Everybody know anybody. Do your own thing. You know? Benedita Mama Utuyo.
My girl, I love you too much.
Hey, very good voice, you know. Talented voice. My voice be there. Me, I don't have time to sing lover song for art, you know. What a piece of it.